This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Taya Hanna. Rebuilt 3-bedroom, 3-bath home located in the popular S. Washington area. The house has been totally rehabbed from a fire in 2019. Most components of the home are new. Wiring, plumbing, flooring, hardwood floors, windows, appliances, baths, trim, etc. This could be a great owner-occupied property or rental. Enjoy the covered front porch, totally fenced backyard, nice sized deck, high energy efficient HVAC, solar panels. 11.00/month is electricity cost. The taxes will be lower this year because of a reassessment, and if it is owner occupied, they should be around $402.00 with the homestead and mortgage exemptions. There is currently an occupancy permit on file. Beautiful home. Call today for an appointment.